on here. If I power up, now I come to baby care, you see it instantly goes to 60. If I press that, you see I've got what they call a boil wash. Then that goes up to 90. Now I might just reduce the soaks to 2. Okay, that's the minimum. Up here it says, okay, that's the standard cycle. It's got a soak and that's got a spin. She needs a spin, so let's try that, taking that off. It's going to be 1 hour 47. Also putting in towels, okay, because what happens, and I'm just going to put in these dirty dish towels I was going to wash anyway. If you don't put them in, it doesn't agitate any of the cleaning product enough, because they need something to agitate them. They're designed to have clothes in there. If you don't have anything in there, they don't actually activate their cleaning properties in full. So what we've done, we've gone for a baby care cycle with a 90 degree, put the temperature up to max. Only a few cycles can put the max temperature. Put in some old towels or whatever, or just towels, anything you're going to wash that is like not really sensitive to size and so on. And then get 4 of these tablets, depending, anywhere from 2 to 8, depending on how big your machine is or how dirty it is. Oh, and yeah, just a note, these are going to bang and rattle as it starts. Don't worry, you haven't put anything wrong. Listen now. It's just those hard tablets hitting the drum without any real sort of padding, because they're in there directly. Don't worry about it, it's fine.